What's up, everybody? Good morning and hello. We are jumping right into the markets. We're looking at the NQ futures chart. We are around 9:26 a.m., so we're not currently in a macro, but we are just looking at this market and it is just sending downward. So it's just hit a most recent low, taking out some sell side liquidity. We want to watch and observe this market and see to what direction or at what point price may look to turn around or continue in this direction. So we're just watching right now, we're observing, and we're going to try and take some advantage of the movement in the market today. So we will keep you updated, and you'll see all these trades happen live. So hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, and we will have a good time. Okay, so we got into this trade right here. We're going to test it out. We see price created some lows right here. We want to see how far price is going to go here to the long side. We might still just be in a falling knife situation, so we are going in pretty light on this move. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and test this out and see what happens.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Liking the movement I'm seeing so far.
Order submitted.
Gonna try and add in on that move.
Order filled.
We are pretty deep in discount for this range that we created. I like this movement. I'm going to take that movement. Very nice. Nice little trade to start the day. Yeah, we'll take that. Yeah, I didn't really want to play here too much with some drawdown. So we got in, got out, got a nice little $300 profit there. So yeah, we like that movement. We'll just continue to observe here to see if anything makes sense. So we're seeing this fair value gap, at least for right now, being respected. Price has not yet broken out past it, but we are going to take a chance on this, and we're going to try not to be in here for too long. Of course, that depends on what price does. I don't like that price kind of came up here and is creating a high, and it looks like it wants to come down and create some more lows. So we're going to look to get out of that. Okay, so we are trying this one really quickly. I got a nice little push out of that. Yeah, that was great. Nice little scalp there for us. So we're just trying this move right here. We like the way price was moving. So yeah, we like that movement. We are all about that displacement. So we took that movement, got in, got out. Wonderful trade right there for us. And every trader is different, no problem in holding this from this point onto here. I personally like to be able to, see what I just did, take that move, grab my quick scalp right there instead of having to deal with the drawdown. So yeah, that's what I kind of like to do personally, but everyone's different. There's no right or wrong way. As long as you're getting that money, you are getting that money. So we're giving this one a shot too. Wanted to get out a lot sooner than this, but the only thing that was holding me back was seeing what price was doing right around this fair value gap, and I don't see it traveling up there and breaking back past through it just yet. So we are just watching still. Price can just be a falling knife, but we still took that nice profit there, and I think that was about 130 or so just off of that simple price movement. Yeah, so pretty great so far. We are just watching here. Price, we want to see if price is going to be creating new lows or not. We see a lot of displacement and speed to the downside, so that is, that's good in terms of letting us know what the market wants to do. But of course, that could definitely just be a little bit of a fake out. Let's look a little bit to the left right now. We see a lot of consolidation. It manipulated upwards. It distributed a little bit, but for the most part, this is just more consolidation. And now we see what could look like a manipulation downward to a distribution higher. So that is a possible setup. Whether price is ready to complete that setup is the next question. So we will keep on watching and observing here. We're going to take a stab at longs right here, see what price might want to do once it took out some of these lows. We're just going to give this a shot based off of some of the profits that we made today. Price could definitely be a falling knife, but it can definitely continue to go to the buy side right at this moment. If not at this moment, it could do it a little bit later, but we'll just try something light right here. I'm seeing some rejection at this fair value gap, so I'm noticing that. So that is making me think maybe right now, since we are not moving past this gap, it's kind of using it as some type of rejection zone right here.
Order filled.
Yeah. Okay, price may not be ready just yet, or price could definitely have gone up here. We sought out some of the equilibrium of this range, so price may have been coming right here to get this zone tapped, and then we could go ahead and create some new lows. Again, we have so many targets to the downside that price could definitely go to. So we're watching for that too. We want to see which PD arrays are being respected though, as we are trading this. So that gives us a better notion of which direction price wants to go into. See if this gives us a little bit more context. Price did not close through this fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. So it can definitely tell us that we might want to be a little bit more bearish, at least in the short term. We'll continue watching. Looks like we are looking to make some new lows here. This is about 5 minutes in from last time I spoke. So yeah, we are seeing some movement here, and we're watching the extent to which it moves. We definitely want to be patient. We don't want to do too much. So we're just looking and observing still. The market has kind of just been stagnant for a little bit here. We make a little bit of a move and then we come back, and this is actually probably the most action we've seen so far in the last 10-15 minutes or so. So we are just going to see what price does here. It's been an interesting day, kind of choppy, but still at the same time some good smooth movements as well. So we were able to capitalize on some of those, so we're happy about that. We are just looking to see though, if anything else happens, anything interesting happens in the market soon. Not going to count on it, but yeah, we're just here observing, so we'll keep you updated. I'm going to give this short a stab right here. This will probably be our last trade. Very nice movement. Love to see that.
Order filled.
All right, we'll take that movement. Great trade right there. We could have held on to it, but I'm okay. I'm honestly okay for today. I think all of our trades, maybe -1, were all winners. So yeah, we'll probably do the calculations later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are trading 7 accounts today, and we are up 400 plus on each account. So it was a great trading day. Really like the price action for today. Clear to see it. And yeah, it's 10:25 and we are wrapping it up for the day. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Anything you liked in particular, go ahead and say so. We'd love to hear feedback, and we always want to continue to get better in our trading and also in our video making skills as well. So thanks for everybody who has been showing support, and we appreciate you. We see you, and we'll see you in the next one.